Hi, and welcome back to the Hungry Cuban Adventures. Today we're going to be making one of our go-to dinners throughout the week. It's the white bean chicken chili. I have my own little take on it, and I hope you enjoy it. Sauté button. Put it up to high. As soon as it's ready and it's hot, it'll say hot. There you go. It's reading hot. Ready to saute. Okay, so we have the chicken in there. We're going to go ahead and make sure that the warmer is off. Hit poultry, 6 minutes, and it's going to start on its own. Okay, so the poultry timer just went off. A lot of people want to run over here, turn the pressure off, or release the pressure real quick. Just let it go. It's about 10 minutes. It only took 6 minutes to cook the chicken, and it's only going to take about 10 minutes for it to cool down and let the pressure reduce all by itself. Don't rush a good thing. Take your time, wait till it's done, then we're going to open it up and add the other ingredients to it. Make sure to rinse your beans, especially if they're canned beans. They say that what happens is that when the beans break down inside a can, it creates an enzyme. That enzyme is what causes a lot of flatulence. So if you want to make your friends and your spouse happy, make sure you rinse your beans. Slow cook. It says 8 hours. We're going to go ahead and lower that. Just going to do it for an hour. Our friends should be here in a little bit. We can be able to enjoy this. So I hope you enjoy this recipe of white bean chicken chili. Listen, you can do it with chicken thighs, which is what I use. I like it. I think it has a lot more flavor. You can choose chicken breast. You can do it with pork. You can do it with whatever you want. Also, you can do it with fresh beans. I decided to use canned beans because that's what I had on site. Also, you can use canned tomatoes or fresh tomatoes. Guys, it's up to you. Create your own recipe. Make it your own. Change the spices around. Make it what you like to eat and not what I like to eat. I hope that this recipe will kind of give you some guidance as to a nice, easy, simple Instant Pot meal. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell so you don't miss out on any of our posts. And I hope you continue to enjoy our videos and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.